future, here's a change. It might take a minute, but you'll be a-okay. Here's a sky for the pie, and everything is possible. Out of the box and off of the page. Hey, look in the mirror, is it calling your name? Have you ever seen something so wonderful?
That was a lot of pressure.
Life is always better, ayo, ayo. We are together, ayo, ayo. We're walking on cold grace. These are the best days. These are the best days. These are the best days.
Welcome to another day in Paris. We're headed to our Macaron class in Paris. I can't wait. I'm obsessed with macarons anyway.
Hopefully we don't get in trouble because we're late.
Yeah, we're late. Parisians don't really like to be late. Don't like it when we're late. But we live on Stroud Standard Time. I do another class with the kids at a different venue.
Try to catch up, we are ahead. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up, we are ahead. That future hit.
And now we're going to go to the other side of the
Tower.
chocolate. We're going to make the chocolate a little bit more
I want chocolate cream.
Good thing we're at a class making that, huh? Ooh, look at my mixer.
Oh, so cute. Look at mine. I got a heart.
very good. Good work. Look at those streams of water coming out.
Turn it down.
Cool up for 10 seconds and turn. As fast as you turn the best. Very good. Let's go. Pull up a little bit.
Alors, now we are going to cook this cream over a double boiler, like this. It's going to take a little while. When you have a cramp, you tell us, we switch.
Okay.
Because it takes 5 good minutes.
Okay.
During this time, we're going to measure all the ingredients for the 2 batches of macaron shells. Okay, we have to make, because we are doing 2 flavors, lemon and pistachio. For the moment, we prepared the lemon cream. Then we're going to do the first batch of macaron, then the second batch, because it's always the same recipe, whatever flavor you're doing. The only one change is the food coloring you add. But it's color, no taste. Okay, they taste almond. Wow!
Let's get it.
Very good job.
Very good. Woo! Hard to be patient.
Oh my gosh. It's like liquid lint.
It's liquid yumminess.
Now, with the thinking, we're going to taste the chocolate from the whisk.
Yes, we can do that.
No whisk.
We're good at that part. Katie, you need to use your pinky and taste it. You're tasting a little more than one.
I know what we're going to do with this. We're going to hold the holder on the bottom and spray.
Right, not spraying.
I make a first test. Here I observe the batter is falling down here. Here it takes a very too long time to flatten.
You want it thinner almost?
I want something which flattens faster.
More liquid.
Yes, it's a little too. If I stop now, the risk is to get a little thick on the top of each macaron.
Oh.
I use a tip number 8.
Talk all the words that I know you got. Don't wait, don't stop.
tastes like marshmallow. Because that's basically
Yes,
what it is.
It's only the color. It tastes like sugar.
It's
That's
sugar, it's just marshmallow.
your tongue is like the color as that. What color is mine?
Yellow.
Honestly. Can you take a picture so I can see mine?
Yeah.
You grab the piping bag this way. You detwist here. You hold it in your paw. Okay? Oh my gosh. No.
That was a lot of pressure.
Alors, stay. Very good. Very good. Keep going. Open jump. Very nice. Stay a little more down. Voilà. To avoid the little tail, open your fingers on the top. Yeah, it's your turn. Alors, Chris, it's your turn.
Okay,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Allez.
Alright, here we go.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god, you missed the first one.
But don't think.
You are not what
Right?
you would say perpendicular. Open, go.
It's a lot of pressure right now.
Yes, we are like this. Go. Very good, Chris.
Ooh, that was a good one.
When a student was being graduated, he has to do this test, otherwise he cannot pass the exam and the pastry chef. So we're going to start with you. You're going to take the ball and put it upside down. If it doesn't fall, you are a French pastry chef.
Tip it over your head.
1,
2.
3.
Wow, she did it!
I swear the world has never seen a thing like you. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say. Sing it.
Chris, you want to come here? I had 2/3 of the butter, and I'm gonna cool it before we add the rest.
Go on and sing what you want to say. Brothers and sisters.
Perfect. Alors, now after you flip them and place them in column of two the same size. Okay, so this one is not going with this one. Okay.
Go on and sing what you want to say. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say. Sing it. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you want to say.
Before the circle. Go like this.
The world has never seen a thing like you. Oh, the world has never
Now you can come to this table with the tray. Like this.
Oh, there we go.
15 times.
15 times. Whoa, okay, Grant. Let it land flat. Go flat. Oh, Granner.
So let's dance the night away. Go on.
It has to be like this. Very flat. You press like this, and little by little, we're going to get our decoration out.
Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing ever. How cute that is.
So let's dance the night away. Go
I love your flower, Lucy. Oh, good job, Lincoln. How's yours, Lincoln?
Pretty, so good.
So good. How is it, Grant? Messy but good. Officially Macaron, Macarons. She said there was literally a verb for creating the right texture of macarons.
It was good.
It was delicious.
Delish.
What was your favorite part?
The consumption of the lemon macaron and
I learned some cool
whiskey. I did pretty good at
You
whiskey.
did? He was a good whisker.
Whisker.
She taught us really well. And she said if you add sugar to milk, it won't burn on the pan, people. I feel like this just changed my life a little bit. Alright, how was our macaron class?
Awesome.
What did you like?
Macarons, all of it.
I like doing the fondant.
I like fondant a lot, but my favorite part was mixing.
You like baking and mixing?
Yeah.
I can't eat a lot of sugar before I eat normal food because otherwise I get a sugar feeling and it makes me feel like I'm dying.
Yes.
When I
And
get
I've gotten
sugar feeling, I get really tired.
Yeah, he just gets
So are you guys gonna make macarons at home?
Yeah. On Christmas.
We're waiting for Daddy to bring the littles for lunch. So we have to have a snack. Because they're super sugar-fied. That's an actual word, sugar-fied. Can't wait to make our own macarons. Hopefully we have an oven. And we'll try and share our recipes with you. So make sure to follow along, subscribe. We'll see you later.